Business, 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 and fun. I'm Steve Reinharz, CEO of your favorite ticker, AITX, Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions, trading on the OTC Pinks. This is your weekly update. We're going to talk about, of course, Stars on Mars, Rad Dog. We're going to talk a little bit about the K. We're going to talk some sales stuff. We're going to talk AI chatbot. And that is going to do it for us this week. So let's get started. And I just got to share with you guys, my anticipation for the Stars on Mars show is off the charts. It's off the charts. I still pinch myself, shake my head that we even did it, right? It's just so cool. I was excited because last Sunday, a promo, so this would have been maybe the 21st or so, right around there, 20th, 21st, a promo hit the airwaves that had Rad Dog 4 places on a 30-second spot. And many of you who follow have seen the screen grabs of those 4 places. So that's huge, right? We're in the show, which is amazing. And I kind of know more than that, but definitely it's nice to see it on the promos. This morning, I'm filming this on Friday, right now when I'm filming it. So Friday morning, I saw a new Series 1 promo from Fox that had Rad Dog in one clip, okay? But it's fine. They have to tell the story. I mean, it is what it is. It's not our show, right? But I'm so happy that we're there. The show is going to run for weeks and weeks. I know how many episodes there are, but I don't know if I can say it yet. But I'll just say that this is going to be the gift that keeps on giving. Every Monday, prime time, 8 o'clock, we're going to turn on our TVs and count the number of times Rad Dog shows and what Rad Dog is doing. And it's splendid. It's going to be amazing for us. I couldn't be more excited. One of the things that we've done along the way is done some light documentation of the engineer who went to Australia, of their trip. And so today I recorded something with them, and it's really kind of a cool piece. I think you guys are going to like it. We're going to get it out in the next few days, but it's a bit of a snippet of kind of all the things that we're doing around Rad Dog to get exposure, to break through the noise, to bring more eyes to AITX. So that piece is going to come out soon. Now, let's get to some business at hand. Through the press release earlier this week that June 6th is kind of the big day for Rad Dog's big launch. We've got a page on the radsecurity.com site, and we talk about it. We showed it at the December investor meeting, the version 1. But the version 2 is going to be everywhere through the Rad channels starting the 6th. So very, very cool. We've started talking about it with some of our large customers already. And hopefully we get moving pretty quick on some sales. So there has been a ton of work on Rad Dog by me and our chief marketing officer and many others getting us to this point. So I'm really excited to see June 6th, and I'm excited to see the show on June 5th. Let's talk more business going, though. The K, our year end. I can't talk about those kinds of things until they happen. But just know, I'm all over it with the auditors and with our internal team who are dialed in and get it done. So just keep your eyes open. I can't say anything else. Keep your eyes open. Okay, that's that. That's the update on that. Sales stuff. We did a great press release this week, but the 5 extra dealers. And that's great. That's great. Building a channel is great. That's how you build a big business. You start with a channel. You start with using force multiplication that's not on your payroll to promote your product. And you cut them into the profits. Just good business practice. So it takes time to ramp up dealers, and dealers have their own business. They're making money their own way. We come in, they want to be a piece of this. Some dealers move into what we do faster and give us an order or 2 right away, as one of them did for Rio right away. Some of them, we've got more layers to fight through in order to get attention and to make the sales and get them excited for it. So there's so much that I can share about how to build a channel and penetrate it with a new paradigm of doing things. But we're getting really good at it. Okay, this week was a really good week. Really, really, really good week. one of our really my attorney is probably watching this, so he's in the back of my head, and I got to move on. We're going to move on. We're moving on. But lots of good meetings this week. And are we at the sales point this moment that I want to be? No, we're not. We're not. Okay. Does that mean we just stop? No. It means we take a look at our funnel. We see what the issues are. How do we open up the floodgates? How do we get them past? So over the past few weeks, I've talked about this a little bit, about having different tactics to get us past that last bit. And these past couple of weeks, I've seen some huge progress, and I know we've got huge progress coming. So I'm not worried at all that we're not going to hit a great monthly run rate by the end of this fiscal year, which ends in February 2024. So I just want to make sure everybody knows that. But we're doing good. There's going to be some sales announcements coming. So, and this isn't news. We always do sales announcements, but there's going to be one coming. Okay. The next is the chatbot has been running for about a week, and I've gotten some comment and some feedback from it, and I appreciate that. Thank you very, very much. I want to ask you guys, please continue to ask the chatbot whatever questions you think you would want to know, and that you think you would want other people going to AITX.ai to do their due diligence would ask and would want to know, because we're still kind of populating it with data and seeing how the large language model is working on the data that we're providing it. A lot of it is through Yahoo MarketWatch by Yahoo. But there's other sources that we need to bring on as well, and there's custom sources that we could bring on. So I want your feedback. I want you to play with the chatbot, AITX.ai. And, you know, this is one of those meetings where I'm like, I got so much to share, but I can't. I shared what I could. I hope everybody has a safe, long weekend, at least for our American friends that take Memorial Day off. So very somber and important day. I hope we all recognize that. Anyway, have a great weekend, everybody. Thank you so much.